What if I told you? A single untested line of code once cost a company $440 million in 45 minutes. In 1999, NASA lost a $327 million Mars orbiter. Not because of a meteor, not because of a solar storm, because one engineering team used metric units and another used imperial. A tiny, invisible mismatch that nobody caught in time. That's not just a NASA problem. That's a software problem. That's a QA problem. In today's video, we're breaking down QA in testing, what it is, why it matters, how it actually works. Most people think QA is just finding bugs. It's technically true, but it massively undersells what's happening. Quality assurance and quality control are not the same thing. Quality control focuses on detecting problems after the product is built. Quality assurance focuses on preventing those problems before they happen. In software, QA is the system that helps teams build stable, reliable products from the beginning. QA matters because small software issues can become very expensive problems if they're discovered too late. The earlier a bug is found, the easier and cheaper it is to fix. But when problems reach real users, they can cause crashes, broken features, lost trust, and major business impact. That's why testing is not just about checking if software works. It's about making sure users have a smooth, reliable experience from the beginning. Good QA helps teams release software with confidence. It reduces risks, improves stability, and prevents small mistakes from turning into big failures. In many ways, QA engineers are the people protecting users from frustration before users ever notice a problem. So how does QA work in real software projects? One of the most common approaches is called the testing pyramid. At the bottom are unit tests, small, fast tests that check individual pieces of code. In the middle are integration tests. These make sure different parts of the system work correctly together. At the top are end-to-end tests. These simulate real users using the application from start to finish. QA engineers perform manual and exploratory testing to experience the product like real users and uncover issues that might otherwise go unnoticed. They also use automation testing to speed up repetitive checks and improve reliability, while performance testing helps ensure the system remains stable and responsive under heavy usage. And great QA engineers think like curious, slightly chaotic users. Modern software testing has evolved a lot. In the past, testing happened mostly at the end of development. Today, QA starts much earlier in the process, an approach called shift-left testing. QA engineers now work alongside development from the beginning, helping teams catch bugs earlier, reduce risks, and release software faster with more confidence. Modern QA is also powered by automation and AI. Tools can generate test cases, identify risky areas in code, and improve testing workflows. But even with AI, human judgment still matters most. Great QA engineers understand real users, real risks, and the true impact of software quality. Great software isn't built by code alone. It's built through quality and testing. QA helps teams catch problems early, build reliable products, and create better user experiences. Whether you're a developer, tester, or just starting in tech, understanding QA is an essential skill in modern software development.